Which vitamins help restore nerve function? Nerve health is crucial for our overall well-being, as nerves play a vital role in transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. When nerves are damaged, it can lead to various issues such as pain, numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. Fortunately, certain vitamins can help restore and support nerve function, promoting healing and reducing discomfort. Let's explore which vitamins are essential for nerve health and how they contribute to restoring nerve function. Essential vitamins for nerve health. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is crucial for maintaining nerve health. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy, which is vital for the proper functioning of nerves. Thiamine also plays a role in protecting nerve cells from damage by supporting the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves that ensures efficient signal transmission. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to nerve damage, often seen in conditions like beriberi and peripheral neuropathy. Including foods rich in thiamine, such as whole grains, nuts, and seeds, or taking a supplement, can help restore nerve function and alleviate symptoms. 2. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is another essential nutrient for nerve health. It is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerves. Additionally, vitamin B6 helps produce the myelin sheath, providing protection and insulation to nerve fibers. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can cause nerve damage and lead to symptoms like numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, and bananas. Ensuring adequate intake of this vitamin can support nerve repair and improve overall nerve function. 3. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is perhaps the most well-known vitamin for nerve health. It is essential for the production of myelin, the protective coating around nerves, and helps maintain the health of nerve cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can cause significant nerve damage, leading to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and difficulty walking. This condition is particularly common in older adults and people with certain medical conditions. Vitamin B12 is found in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those who are deficient or at risk, supplements or fortified foods can be a valuable way to restore nerve function and prevent further damage. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in nerve health as well. It helps regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, which can protect nerves from damage. Research has shown that vitamin D deficiency is linked to an increased risk of developing conditions like multiple sclerosis, MS, which affects the central nervous system. Ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D through sun exposure, diet, or supplements can help maintain healthy nerve function and support the repair of damaged nerves. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, which can cause damage over time. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function and preventing the breakdown of myelin. A deficiency in vitamin E can lead to nerve damage, resulting in symptoms like numbness and loss of coordination. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocados. Including these in your diet or taking a vitamin E supplement can help restore nerve health and protect against further damage. 6. Alpha-Lipoic Acid ALA. While not a vitamin, alpha-lipoic acid ALA is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to improve nerve function. It works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage nerves. ALA is also known to enhance the effectiveness of other antioxidants, like vitamin C and E, making it a valuable addition to nerve health. It is particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy, a condition where high blood sugar levels cause nerve damage. ALA is found in foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes, but it is also available as a supplement for those who need extra support in restoring nerve function. Restoring nerve function and maintaining nerve health is essential for a healthy, active life. Vitamins B1, B6, B12, D, and E, along with alpha-lipoic acid, play crucial roles in protecting and repairing nerve cells. By ensuring adequate intake of these nutrients through diet or supplements, you can support your nervous system, promote healing, and reduce the risk of nerve damage. Including these vitamins in your daily routine is a proactive way to maintain optimal nerve function and overall well-being. If you liked this video, kindly subscribe for more health tips,